Morning. Have you ever had this happen to you? If you've ever swapped out spark plugs, I'm sure you have. You've got your spark plug socket on there. It's got that little rubber boot in there so that it can hold on to the spark plugs. So once you loosen it up, you pull it out, it'll keep a hold of that spark plug so that way you can get it out easier. But when you use that to put them back in the hole, this will happen. You have it down there, you put it in there, you've put your socket, or not your socket, dang it. You put your spark plug back in, you've tightened it up to where you need it to be, and then you go, okay, I'm done with that. Oh no, and only your extension comes out because your socket is down there still holding on to your spark plug with that little rubber boot that's inside. Well, one way to get it out, instead of sticking needle nose pliers down in there and trying to get something to grab a hold of it, pull it out, put your socket extension back in there, click it on, and then pull it to the side as much as you can. And what that does is it puts some tension in that connection. So instead of it being straight up and down, it kinks it to where those little square edges pop to the side a little bit and don't want to let go as much. So you pull it to the side, kind of give it some little bit of tension while you're pulling up on it, and it'll pop right off. And so that's how I get it out, because I've tried before getting needle nose pliers or something down in there to get a hold of the socket and pull it up. The reason it holds onto there is that little rubber boot right there grabs a hold of the top of the spark plug and kind of makes it easier to take them out, but it makes it a pain in the butt putting them back in. So next time your socket comes off of your extension, give that a shot. If that doesn't work, I don't know what to tell you. Get a hold of some pliers or something. Try another extension. Maybe it'll have a stiffer little lock ball in there that'll pull it up. But that's how I get my spark plug sockets off of my spark plugs, so I can get my port back to put my plug wire back in. So there's my tool tip for the day: spark plug socket removal. Y'all be good.